Hey, Dad.
What do you want, Jeffy?
Can I get a pogo stick? It's $20.
You know that's a lot of money.
Well, I don't care. I'm just gonna go get it.
Okay, fine. I'll buy you.
Alright, I'm coming to the store with you.
Okay, let's go. Hey, Jeffy, do you want this pogo stick?
Yes, I do, Dad. I'm gonna go outside with it.
Okay.
Man, I love my new pogo stick. I'm gonna have so much fun on it. Wow, I did 20 push-ups on it. Let me go inside. I wonder what's for dinner.
I already got your lunch. Grass! You eat grass, Jeffy.
That's it, Daddy. Ah!
Jeffy, you know you're grounded.
What? For what, Daddy?
You know I'm gonna return your pogo stick.
Aw. Aw, I'm so grounded from Daddy. Stupid Daddy. I don't like Daddy. He's fat. Oh.
Jeffy!
What?
I heard what you said. You know what? Now you're grounded for 1 month. Stay in your room. Hey, Jeffy.
What?
Why are you in your room?
Because Daddy grounded me for nothing.
You want to sneak out?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it. A best friend.
I'm staying with my best friend, Junior.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, Junior. Jeffy!
Jeffy? Jeffy?
What, Daddy?
Why are you outside with your friend? What did I tell you about you being grounded?
I don't know, Daddy.
If you don't go back in your room in 5 seconds, I'm going to kill you.
Ah.